ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dyin barbecue back in front of the grill today. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be talking side. This is a good side dish to go with that Christmas dinner that you're going to be cooking. This is a sweet potato casserole. I'm going to show you how I throw that thing together. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's make a sweet potato casserole. Now I'm going to be cooking this whole thing on my grill, start to finish. We're going to get into throwing that thing together. What I've got here is about 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. I washed them, cleaned them, dried them off. Now then we're just going to poke a few holes in these. Poking the holes kind of helps them cook a little faster. Don't need a bunch, just kind of poke a few in them. Try to find your sweet potatoes, try to get them all about the same size. That way they cook about the same. We're gonna get these thrown on the grill, 350 degrees. We're gonna cook them just so they get tender, and then we'll peel them up, mash them up, and get into making that sweet potato casserole. Let's throw these on the grill. I just put those things right on the grate, nothing fancy. We're running at 350 degrees. We're gonna let them go. It's probably gonna take about an hour for them to get tender. We'll check back on them in about an hour. All right, so those potatoes have been on there for about an hour. They're super tender. Let's get them off of here. We're gonna let these things hang out here for just a little bit, let them cool off so we can handle them. We'll peel them up, and then we'll mash them, get to building this casserole. Alright, so these potatoes have kind of cooled off here so that we can kind of handle them. The good thing about smoking these out there on the grill, or cooking them on the grill, is that skin comes off real easy once they're cooked. You can just kind of get in here and just peel it off. And we'll just put them in our bowl here. Now I have cotton gloves underneath my nitrile gloves. Just helps me handle stuff a little bit better. I'm not Superman, and these things are not as hot as they look. It's kind of cool out here, so they're steaming a little more than what it really is. Alright, so now that we've got those potatoes peeled, we're just gonna get in here and mash these babies up. Other good thing about doing these out on the smoker is you get that smokiness in these potatoes from them cooking out there. It makes this dish really great. Alright, we've got them mashed up. Now then we're going to come back, and this is a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then I just have zest of an orange and some cinnamon. Then I've just got some melted butter. And we're going to come back with about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Give this a mix. You just want to make sure and get all your sugar, the orange zest, the cinnamon and vanilla all blended into these potatoes real well. Then we're going to take here, and we've just got a pan. I greased this pan, and we're just going to put this in it. Once you got the mixture off in your pan, go ahead and smooth it out. Get it all pretty even in there. And then I've just got some marshmallows. We're going to come back and just top this with some marshmallows. Now we're going to stick this back on the grill, 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. We want those marshmallows to kind of get a little bit of color on it. It's going to make it delicious. We'll check back in about 45 minutes. All right, so here we are. That sweet potato casserole is done. We got some real nice color on those marshmallows. Sweet potatoes are cooked all the way through. They're gonna be sweet, they're gonna be delicious. This is something that you can serve up Christmas, great side dish. Hey, if you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page at Dyin Barbecue. I also got a Facebook page, Dyin Barbecue. We just cooked up sweet potato casserole out there on the Pit Boss.